I started out at Darracon in a water cart. Opportunity came up to get in the truck and dogs, which is what I wanted to do from the start. Heaps of different types of jobs we do each day. Cart, dirt, gravel, sand, aggregates. Every day has its challenges, but it's good fun. Took a little bit to get used to. There's sort of an act to it, and once you sort of get that down, it's pretty simple. Everyone has been great. If you ever need a hand, there's always someone to help you out anywhere they can. I see a long future at Darracon.